This instructional video is for Beaches Energy customers in order to go online and access your account to gather the consumption data that we will need in order to provide a customized proposal for a solar system at your home. So you will go to beachesenergy.com. You'll click on My Account. If you're a residential customer, you're going to be clicking Residential Customers. You'll then click View Account. If you've already set up your online account, and this isn't your first time accessing it, then you'll say that you have a PIN and password. If you only have a paper copy of your bill, you'll have to click I need a PIN and password, and then you will enter information on your paper bill into the website in order to create an online account. We'll assume that we do already have an online PIN and password set up. It'll take you here, and that's where you'll put your account ID in. That is also on your paper bill, and then you'll have your password that you've already created. You'll sign on. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see a tab called Consumption. You'll be clicking on Electric. The meter number will be listed here. Click on the meter number, and this will be showing you your kilowatt hour consumption month by month. And we will be looking for at least the last 12 months, but this should pull a few years worth of history. So you could either take a photo with your phone of this screen and text it in to our text number, or you could print this and email it, or you could save it as a PDF. But all the data that we would need would be here, showing how many days we're in the billing period, your daily usage, and then your total consumption of kilowatt usage for each month.